Hi, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. Welcome to the Holiday Home Showground here at Holiday Resort Unity, Breen in Somerset. Literally 15 minutes from the M5 is all we are. Some of the best facilities in the southwest of England. Don't take my word for it. Go online and have a little look. If you fancy fishing, we've got a fishing lake. Fancy going to the gym? Yes. Round of golf? Yes. Some fabulous entertainment? Of course. We've even got theme parks. We've got soft play, swimming pools, outdoor pools, food, drink. Really is a fabulous place to be, that you can come and relax, own your own little piece of paradise, literally 15 minutes from the M5. I think I've got all that. Yes. How far am I from the M5? That's right, 15 minutes. Now, what are we looking at today, I hear you ask? Well, I have got a fabulous holiday home I want to show you. One of these fabulous holiday homes. Look at them all. We've got an abundance of marvellous holiday homes here for you guys to come and have a little look at. But today, I am going to show you something really special. It's this one right behind me here. This is a Willerby Sierra. It's 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. It's a beautiful holiday home. Massive windows, as you can see, which lets the light stream in. Don't take my word for it. Let's go in and let's have a little. I told you wouldn't be disappointed. Look at the light that's coming in through that massive window at the front. Double glazed, central heating, ideal. Light comes streaming in. Great corner sofa. Looks comfy, doesn't it? You can imagine sitting there, drink in hand, relaxing, because look at the kitchen, look at the dining area. It's such a social space. You can be prepping and talking and entertaining for friends and family. It really does work. And the amount of prep space is fabulous. Great amount of prep, good storage, lovely finish. It really is a really lovely kitchen. I'll get one more really in there. It's all about that window. Look at that light. Right, carry on down. We've got separate WC with a little sink. Then the next door. Shower room. WC again. So it's got 2 toilets, 1 bathroom. Door opposite is the main master bedroom. What a great size, but again, look at the light coming in. Above bed storage, bedsides, and a fabulous wardrobe. Double door, really deep, 4 drawers underneath, amazing amounts of storage. Really is a lovely master bedroom in this holiday home. Then we've got the first of the twins, and again, look at it. You can see the sunlight coming in through the window. Great amounts of above bed storage again. The singles are freestanding, and so's the bedside, so you can change the configuration if you so desire, but I think this works really well. Then you've got obviously wardrobe. There's me in the mirror. And then the other twin. Again, great space, above bed, wardrobe again. All the bedrooms have got radiators in them. This is a lovely, well laid out, well thought out, well designed holiday home. And then back down the hallway to this fabulous social space. So this is the fabulous pre-loved 2012 Willerby Sierra, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. Massive window at the front that lets the light stream in. Double glazed, central heated, lovely couch, great social space. Really is a fabulous kitchen with prep. 3 great sized bedrooms, the main bathroom, and obviously the separate WC as well that gives it 2 toilets throughout. This is a fabulous holiday home. Now, if you want to find out about this holiday home or any other holiday homes you've seen, you know what you've got to do? You've got to pick up the phone. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, say, Roger, I'm interested in holiday home ownership. Can you take me through the steps? Roger, I'd like to come down and look at some holiday homes. When's a good time? Pick up the phone. Give me a call, drop me a text. I'm here to help you. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Again, I am here to take you through holiday home ownership step by step to make it a really easy and simple transition for you guys. And don't forget this face, you're used to it by now, 'cause it's all over YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy. On there is abundance of holiday homes, because as you know, holiday home ownership starts at Holiday Resort Unity from £19,995, and you can own your own little piece of paradise here. How far again? That's right, 15 minutes from the M5, and you can come here. So don't forget, YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy. Email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk, or text or give me a call, 07493 098 497. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal, that's because it's a real deal. and I'll see you soon.